Hey, what's going on everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to create a list in XHTML. In my previous video I think there's no connection between that and this. Here I'm going to show you list. There are two types of list, unordered list and order list. Let's go ahead and see one by one. First I open text edit. Okay, new document. Here we go. I change the size of my writing, like my typing, a little bit bigger because everything becomes small when I type. Let's say okay, this one is really good. Okay, now previously I always type doc type HTML alone, but the real way to do it is it's a big one, big one. I type that one. You can even leave without typing at all. Nothing gonna change. But if you want to practice really in a right way, this is the one they type. Doc type HTML public and then dash backslash double time w3c backslash double time dtd XHTML 1.0 transitional backslash en double quote and then starting quote http backslash www.w3.org backslash tr XHTML backslash dtd backslash XHTML double L and then dash transitional .dtd close. That's how much you have to type if you want to really type in the right way. You can also put just doc type HTML, or you don't have to even put it all. Nothing gonna change. Okay, now let's go ahead and see our listing. We are going to see two type of list. One is unorganized list and organized list. First let's go ahead and see unorganized list. I start with HTML and then close HTML backslash HTML, and the second thing we are going to have here is head. I close the head, and then after head we are going to have the body. Backslash body, and inside the body we are going to have unorganized list UL and then how to type the list. To type the list we have to put li and then close it with backslash li. Let's say I'm gonna create just three things actually four things in a list. Copy, paste it 4 times. Okay, here we go. Let's type something inside. What I'm gonna buy during the summer, maybe a computer, and then let's say I'm gonna buy Xbox, and I'm gonna subscribe to World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft, and then I'm gonna buy Dota 2 as well, Dota 2 plus, Dota plus. Okay, let's go ahead and serve this one and run. I serve this as okay a.html. Desktop. Here we go. Okay, this is how the unorganized list appears. It will have bullet points and computer, bullet points and whatever thing I typed. Ignore these things, the bunch of things coming up. It's only in the Mac. If you are using Windows, everything comes perfectly. Okay, and what else? That's unorganized list. Now let's go ahead and see organized list. To type the organized list, only thing you have to change is this one, UL into OL. Other things are exactly the same. Okay, now let's see the difference. I put b.html. Okay. Now you can see the differences. Before we had bullet points, now we have numbers. That's the difference between unorganized list and organized list. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to if you are trying to learn XHTML6 CSS, subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of videos of it. And also if you want to learn other programming as well, it's all in my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.